Hi, good morning. We are going to, kung sino yung magjo-join, so yan po ang we are going to train or discuss at this um, video. So, punta po tayo sa IMG na website. So, that is www.img-corp.net or img-corp.com. So, you need to write it on the um, internet or sa website after Google or something. So, dyan po ilalagay. And then, of course, you need the agent code talaga. So, if walang agent code, hindi po kayo makapasok for signing up sa IMG. So, when you have that agent code, so here, click here to sign up for other countries. So, if you're new to this website, so just follow the video step by step. So here, we already have all the countries kung saan pwedeng mag-join. So lahat yan. So for example, you're in the Philippines, you click Philippines. So that's 5,500. So if nasa London ka, punta ka sa Europe. So sa Europe, all the countries are there. Then if sa London, it's 185 euro. And then if you're also based in the US or Canada, so dito po tayo sa US and then Canada. And then meron din tayo sa Africa and all the other parts of the world. So for example, we'll just click London kasi nandito tayo sa London. So that's 185 euros. So click on that one. And then you need to fill up all your details. So lahat po. So last name, first name, full middle name, and your email address. Email address is very important. So pag naka-join ka na or na-click na yung email address mo yan, hindi na yan mag-go through. So you have to have another email address na ilalagay dyan. So gender, here is the sponsor code. So kung alam mo or sino yung nag-train sa'yo, why you joined IMG, or bakit ka na-encourage to join IMG, so ilagay nyo dyan. Or if it's the same as your sponsor, so ilagay din dyan. And then your birth date, telephone, mobile, and your civil status, and your forwarding address. Forwarding address, if for example, dito sa UK, so dito tayo sa London. So, if nasa Makati, so Makati or sa office in Cebu. So, what is your Philippine address sa Pilipinas? And then you have to write the zip code as well. And then here, your current address. So, dito kayo sa UK. So, you have to write mga required yan kasi naka-asterisk. So, state, city, street, and your zip code, or dito sa atin is postcode. And then don't forget your signature. After that, after clicking all that, you will go through the payment page. So you can pay credit card via PayPal, bank transfers, remittance. So yan ang or even Palawan Express. One of the benefit of IMG is you can pay through Palawan Express. And then, for example, meron kang card, sabihin mo wala kang credit card, it's okay. You can still use your debit card via PayPal. So, i-click mo lang din yung credit card via PayPal. So, sasabihin mo you don't have your PayPal, you can still use your card and then just click on the one-time payment or pay as a guest using the credit card via PayPal. So, I prefer to use credit card via PayPal because it's very fast and easy. So, i-click mo lang yon and then the payment goes through. You'll receive the your agent code and your password directly, and then you can start using your IMG website. So for the next video, I will teach you on how to navigate on your IMG webpage. Thank you. That's it for now.